A first look at the all-new one-person Tentsile tree tent. Let's check it out. Hey guys, welcome back to Southern Adventures. Well, today I've got an all-new tent called the Tentsile UNA. Seriously, I tried to contact Tentsile to ask them what the name of it was, UNA or UNA, and they never got back to me. First of all, I want to thank Tentsile for sending this tent to review, but full disclosure, Tentsile is not paying me for this, so you will get the goods and bads. Now, the UNA is a one-person tree tent that weighs about 5 pounds. Now, let's take a second, look in the bag, and see what it comes with. All right, now I've not opened this up yet, so it's still going to be in the plastic wrapping, but let's take a look and see what we got here. All right, we got our poles and a couple straps and some bungees. We got our rain fly. Looks like the tent itself. We got a few stakes, 4 of them, and some more bungees. And it looks like we got a bag full of goodies here. Let's open that up real quick and see what we got inside. So we've got another tie down and strap. And another tie down. So this will be my first time setting up this tent, so it might take me just a few minutes to figure it out. I don't see any instructions. I tried to contact Tentsile to see if I could get some instructions for the tent. Didn't really get back to me on that either. Well, all right, let's see if we can get this thing in a tree. Okay guys, well I finally got the tent put up. Put it up a little high at first, had to bring it down some. But anyway, I'm going to stop right here before I put the rain fly on so we can take a walk around the tent and look at some of the features that it has to offer. Okay guys, this is something I always like to show with these Tentsile tents. Now this tent only has one ratcheting strap, but you can see it's in the open position. You always want to pull this lever and make sure that this locks securely. If not, you could be in danger of this tent falling. Now on the other front half of the tent, they used a web lock. Now this is a pretty neat design, and it does work well to secure the strap. Now at the rear of the tent, you just tie the strap. Now I just used a very simple knot that's easy to get out here, but it does stay secure. Now one other thing I like about this tent is that you can get into it from both sides. They've got 2 zippers that go from top to bottom on each side, and then 1 zipper that goes all the way down the back. Another great thing about this tent is you can open both sides, and you've got a nice open hammock you can just lay in. Now while I have the tent open, I just wanted to show you one of the pockets inside. You can use that to store your smaller gear. So now that we've taken a look around the tent, let's put the rain fly on and see what kind of features it has to offer. So I got the rain fly on pretty easily actually. There's 3 tie down points on the tent and 3 tie down points on the ground. We're going to walk around and take a look at them, then we'll jump up in the tent and see what the inside has to offer. Now as you can see, this is a pretty simple setup. Basically all you have to do is throw the rain fly on top of the tent, take all 3 corners, wrap the bungees around themselves until they connect at the end, and then you have a secure rain fly. Now on the sides of the rain fly, you're going to connect it to a bungee that's going to go down to a stake. Connect the other side of the bungee to the bottom of the stake and just screw it in. We're taking a quick look from the bottom, and as you can tell, this rain fly covers this tent very well. It gives you plenty of room to get in the tent, secure your gear underneath the tent as well. Alright guys, we're inside the tent now. As you can see, there's plenty of room inside this tent. It's kind of hard to get a good angle on it though. hope that turns out well. See the rain fly on the outside of the tent. You can see how much room I have in the back as well. There's those pockets I was talking about. Really not bad at all. Once you get in here, it sinks down. You got about 2 foot of room from the bottom to the top. Alright, well hey guys, that about wraps it up for the new first look of the Tentsile UNA tree tent. Now if you like this kind of content and you want to see more first looks like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Also, if you have any questions about this tent, go ahead and leave that in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But listen, until next time, get out there and create your own adventure.